What's up, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today I got a very special video. I mean, it may not be special to you guys, but it's definitely special to me. And the reason why it's so special is because over the years I've been filming my son when he was 1, 2, 3, and I missed 4 of, you know, getting his haircut. I kind of want to keep you get what I'm saying, you know, I want to document his, you know, entire years, and I do it through cutting his hair. So this video right here is very special to me. I feel like I killed the cut. I feel like I did a great job on the crop top. But yeah, you guys, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. You don't have to, but I'm just saying, hit that subscribe button. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned. I would throw the camera, I would just toss it in there, but you know, it's an expensive camera. We don't do that. 360 Jeezy. First thing I'm gonna do, start this crop top off, I'm gonna damp the hair with water on top just so that it can lay down the way I want it. Plus I want to, you know, section it off as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off the corner of my son's hair, which is the parietal ridge. And basically the reason why I'm combing it down is because I want to fade into that bulk at the corner right there. That way the hair on top has something to sit on. So you'll see, you'll kind of get the idea as I go along. So be mindful if the hair isn't totally damped, that the hair sometimes won't, you know, go in the direction that you want it to go in. So just come behind it and saturate it a little bit more, and that way you'll be able to maneuver it a little bit better. So now everything is combed and laid in place. It's time to debulk. Now what I'm doing is taking my one guard open, using my Babyliss Gold FX, and I'm just taking off bulk, still going in the shape of my son's head. Now using my Babyliss Gold trimmers, it's time to set in the bald line. Usually I'll set in the bald line like I'm lining my client up, but this time with my son, I'm gonna turn the clipper around and basically set it in upwards. So with the lever open, in the same way that I set the bald line, I'm going up about 1 inch and I'm setting that guideline in that same way. I do it for the bag. 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 with the one guard open, same thing in the same shape, going up about 1 inch, and this time I'm flicking out because I don't want to set in a harsh guideline being I'm at the top of the bulk area. So with the 2-guard open, all you have to do is run the clipper straight up, because what you're going to do is come behind it with clipper over comb. I do it for the bag. I do it for the bag. I do it for the bag. Now, using clipper over comb technique, you're just going to knock off that bulk that sticks out from the top. What I do is I visualize this as a high top, and everything that sticks out, I just take it off with my clippers. I do it for the bag. 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 With the 0-guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Keep in mind that as you go up, adjust the lever. I do it for the bag. 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 Same thing with the lever closed. In a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Keep in mind that as you go up into that lever open, you're going to have to adjust the lever. Next step, I'm going to use my Battlist Gold shavers just to create another transition at the bottom. I want to make it razor bald as much as possible at the bottom and just give the fade another clean, neat look. So moving on to the top of the hair, I'm going to saturate his hair with water. That way I could do some shear work. So I didn't want to take too much off my son's hair at the top. So I'm just going to cut about a 1/4 inch, if that. All right, I'm going to start from the front. Then I'm going to travel it back using the front as my guideline. Then I'm gonna take a piece of the front and just travel it slowly back, taking off that 1/4 inch. Then I'm gonna work on the sides. I'm gonna put my hands at a 45-degree angle on the sides and just, you know, blend it into the top. So now I'm gonna blow dry and style, rolling everything to the front using my styling brush.
I do it for the bag. 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 I do it for the bag.
So I'm gonna clipper over comb the front of his hairline to take away some of that bulk. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the beat, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He makes all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. If you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chill. Here, you like your haircut? Come over here. Show everybody your haircut. Show everybody, hold on. Show everybody your haircut. Here, stand up. Stand up. We clean right now. I mean, I'm not clean, but Jared is definitely clean right now. He is clean. You want to end it? Let's go.
I do it for the bag.